For the tools and techniques you need to make or repair bags, shoes, clothing, and much more, this is the Ohio Travel Bag Workshop. Today, we're going to show you how to install Jiffy Rivets. Step 1. Get the right tools. You'll need a rawhide hammer, revolving leather punch, hand setting kit, and your Jiffy Rivets. Step 2. Cut a hole. We're cutting into a leather strip and using a leather punch. With any material, you'll want to punch a hole the same size as the post diameter of your rivet. Place your punch on the leather and cut a hole. Step 3. Set the rivet. We are using a double capped Jiffy rivet. Make sure you are using the correct size rivet. A good rule of thumb is to leave 1/8 inch of post sticking out of your leather. Set the rivet post under the leather. Click the cap over the rivet post. Place the rivet on the anvil base. Place the setter tool on top of the domed rivet. Now hit the setter a few times with your rawhide mallet. Never use metal on metal. There should be no leftover space between the leather and the rivet. There you have it, a quick Jiffy Rivet install. Try it for yourself and find all these tools and more at ohiotravelbag.com.